Hello and welcome to LOS760, a detached property in Ontinyent with 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a build size of the house of 212 square meters with a large terrace to the front of 30. It sits proudly in a plot of 4,621 square meters. As you can see, we are coming up onto the front terrace where you have good views across town, and you have your main entrance and the side entrance here, which takes you straight through to the lounge. So from your main door you come into a entrance hall and then into a large lounge with double height ceiling. There's a large wood burner, air conditioning, double glazing and light ceramic tiles throughout the property. It's a light and airy room. Looking back towards the kitchen, you have a mezzanine floor with spiral staircase which actually takes you out onto a little terrace. Going into the kitchen, you'll see a modern red kitchen, all fully fitted, all electric, nice and modern, clean. And before we go to the bedrooms, we will have a look upstairs onto the mezzanine area. As you see, this area here, well, you can use it for a little snug. It looks down over the lounge, maybe a little library area, but most importantly it takes you out onto the little terrace where you can see panoramic views of the hills around Ontinyent and to the front of the house. Also good access to the roof. It's nice to see you're able to see the roof of this property. It's in good order. This viewpoint is looking east. Now we come into the bedroom area where you have the 5 bedrooms. I'll quickly go through them. They're all actually doubles. They've all got built-in wardrobes. The first two are probably the smaller of the two, to the west side of the house. But it's all tastefully decorated. All the doors are matching, all the wardrobes are matching. So you have the family bathroom or shower room, and here we have the master bedroom with ensuite. Looks like you've got double doors going out towards the pool. There's actually no steps going down from there, so it is actually just a large window. You can see the room has air conditioning as well. Now this house is heated with underfloor gas oil, central heating. So we come into the garage now where there is another bathroom which should service the pool, little outside kitchen, storage room. It's a large room, but here to the left you'll see all the plumbing for the central heating, all underfloor heating. So coming out from the garage to the side of the house, looking towards the front, turning towards the back, we have another shady seating area. That's your boundary to your left. So it is a partly fenced property, but you will need, if you have pets, to fully fence it. So that's the window I was talking about from the bedroom. Now coming to the pool area, it's a nice shaped pool. It's tiled, it's filtered, got a balustrade around it, but plenty of room to put your sunbeds. At the back of the pool you've got this little bar area, seating area, and the door there will go through to the pump room. This is your party venue. Coming around the back of the pump area, we're just going walking down the other side of the pool just to show you the house again. And now we're going more towards the industrial side of the house where you've got outbuildings. The present owners have segregated the house, so this part is not fenced at all. And this is where you have a large orchard and storeroom. So for the next minute or so we're just going to be walking around the orchard, just showing you the boundary of the property. It really is countryside, but it's it's a very pretty location. Very private. You know, it is a residential area with properties on either side, but you don't feel overlooked in any way. You've got plenty of space. As you can see, we're just looking over some grapevines, but the majority of the trees are olives. So there we have it. From now on, I will just let you have some photos to look through, and I hope to see you in the future. Thanks for watching our video. Goodbye.